Hello guys, it's Heston the Quickest here. In this video I'm going to show you how to prevent people from adding you to WhatsApp groups. Without more ado, let's get started. Alright guys, open your WhatsApp here at WhatsApp Business or your WhatsApp Messenger. And for Android users, head over to the three dots over here. For iPhone users, head over to the WhatsApp settings, right? So click on settings and then head over to privacy. Under privacy, you're going to scroll down and you can see something like groups. So click on groups and you can see here who can add me to groups. If it's on everyone will be able to add you in groups. Okay, if it's in my contact, it means that only people in your contacts can add you to WhatsApp groups. Alright, so admin can't add you to WhatsApp group. Admins who can add you to WhatsApp group will have option of inviting you privately instead. So this one is better rather than just being added to groups randomly. Alright, so this setting does not apply to community announcement groups. If you are added to a community, you will always be added to a community announcement group. So this one is an exception, right? If you want to prevent your contact from adding you to WhatsApp group, instead of checking any of these two, click on my contact accept, right? So it's going to load up your contacts. So you click here. So this one is when you click here, it's going to select all your contacts. When you select all your contacts, you just tap on validate. And after validating, if let's say if you gain more contacts in the future, you can just still come here, select all of them and validate them. So this is a trick that you can use to prevent people from adding you randomly into WhatsApp groups. If they want to add you to a WhatsApp group, they will send you a WhatsApp group link privately. So this might take long depending on the number of contacts you have, but you just have to be patient. When it's done, everything will be okay. So when it's done, you're going to see under groups, you can see this amount of contact excluded. This means that all your contacts cannot add you to a WhatsApp group. Alright, so hope the video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Peace.